Hi guys, Laz here again, and we continue in the process of building our store. So for this, we're going to be going into our theme. Now, this is probably one of the funnest parts of building the store because you're going to be putting things together and you're going to see it come to fruition. So what we want to do basically here is go under online store and themes. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to install the theme, and then we're going to be customizing it in later videos, as well as talking about how to get a logo, how do we want to set up our colors, all that good stuff. um, and yeah, it's going to be really fun. So now we're actually giving you guys the theme for the store that actually made us $2 million this last October. So this theme is proven to work, guys. This theme has, it may look like a regular theme, but it has many upgrades that will truly benefit your store and raise your conversion rates by a lot. So without further ado, let's get started here. So we're gonna go into upload theme. Sorry about the background music. That is my dog playing with its toy. So we're gonna go into here, and this is a theme right here that we're going to be giving you guys. So you want to keep it as a zip file. You don't want to unzip it. You want to keep it as a zip file, and you basically want to upload this. So you're gonna click on that. You choose a file, and then you're gonna click upload, and it is as easy as that. Shopify will upload the theme for you, and it will be right here. And we will then continue on to customizing the theme in a later video. But that is it for this video, guys. You will see here, once this is complete, we will have the option here to customize. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and see you guys in the next one.